What is up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to WP Workshop. Today I want to show you how you can take your blog theme customizations and move them to another website. Okay, so here's the thing with blog themes. So this is my website, this is wpwork.shop, and I am using a blog theme here. The blog theme is called this. It's by Anders Noren, a very nice theme, a very clean theme, but I did a couple of customizations to it. I didn't get into any of the files, I just used full site editing, which is, the native way of customizing any blog theme. But the problem with that is that anything you change on a blog theme, if you just change the typography or, do anything to the colors or start editing templates, template parts, headers, footers, and so on, all those changes are going to be saved into your database, which means that if you then want to move them to another website, it's going to be a little problematic. Of course, you can always clone the website entirely. I mean, just make a copy of your site on another server, but sometimes you just want, something simpler. You just want to take the design itself and just reuse it. Or maybe you're building the site on a local environment and then you just want to take the design and export it to the production location. So yeah, how to do that? There's actually a very, very simple way, and this way involves a plugin. The plugin is called Create Blog Theme. It's by the WordPress.org team. It's a very cool plugin, a very simple plugin. I mean, simple in the way that it works from a user's perspective. So all you do is, of course, go into plugins, install the plugin. I already have it here, so just activate it. And once you do, you're gonna be able to start exporting your design. So let's go into the full site editor once again. And with the plugin active, you're gonna notice a new icon here at the top. It's this little wrench. So let's just click it, and right away, we're gonna see a couple of new options. So the main thing that this plugin allows us to do is to save changes to the current theme. What this means is that the plugin will take all the changes that you did and it's gonna move them to the actual theme files. So then you can take this theme and reuse it. It also has another feature, another very cool feature that I like to use for reusing designs. It is the option to create a style variation. So once you do that, then whatever design you just created is gonna be saved as a new style. So then when you roll it out to a new website, you're gonna be able just to pick your design from a list of the global styles. So let's do that. I'm gonna create a variation. I'm gonna call mine WPW V3, and let's just create theme variation. Okay, it's been done. So basically at this stage, if I want to now export that design, all I do is go back to the wrench icon and just export zip. This is gonna take all the files, all the customizations, and combine them in a theme package. All we have to do now is just test it. Let's go to another site. So this is my test website, a local one. Let's just add a theme. Let's upload it. Let's just drag and drop the file. Let's install it. Let's activate. And now when I see the design, this is exactly the design that I created for my main site. You know what? Let's actually show the two side by side. So yeah, it uses all the same fonts, all the same spacing for the elements. We can go into one of the posts. Let's click on that one. Yeah, all the fonts, all the sizes, all the colors, everything is basically the same. That is it. It's really, really simple with this plugin. This is how you take your blog theme customizations and move them anywhere. And yeah, by the way, you can do that to any theme. It's not just, a theme that you've created from scratch. You can take any existing theme, do whatever changes you want, and then export them through the Create Blog Theme plugin. How cool is that? Yeah, let me know what you think about this. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm Karol. You can find me at wpwork.shop, and see you next time.